What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how to make passive income. What can you do? Okay, and I actually have some stuff for you so that you can get started right now. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you kind of what you can do to make a passive income. Now if you have questions on this, comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out any way that I can. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what are we doing right here? First thing I want to do before I get into how to make a passive income, first thing I want to do, I said in one of my videos, best comment wins $5 PayPal. Okay, comment below, what online business do you run and why do you love it? Okay, so I was gonna just pick a winner, but I decided, how do you choose the best comment? So all I'm gonna do is come over here, this random YouTube picker right here, paste it in, and it's gonna pick somebody. There's 8 unique commenters. Let's see who it picks. Puppet Master. Okay, so Puppet Master, I will be sending you a message here on YouTube. So you just gotta send me your PayPal address and I'll send you $5. Same thing goes for you guys. I'll do it in this video as well. If you guys want to win $5, all you gotta do, comment down below. Comment down below and let me know, why do you want to create a passive income? What is a passive income gonna do for you? Comment down below, answer that one question. But let's jump into the video, and if you win, again, $5 PayPal, that's it. So how can you make a passive income? First off, hey, there's a lot of things you can do. Here is what I want to talk to you about, okay? This right here is my passive income for entrepreneurs. It's a mini course. It's a $7 mini course. If you're interested in it, the link will be down below as well. But this is a $7 mini course, and what this teaches you is how do you create a passive income online, okay? If you want to go check this out, like I said, the link will be in the description box below. And these are some of the things that I talk about. The process behind the easiest online passive income. And YouTube examples of exactly how this process works and how it's done. And I'm going to talk about somebody in just a second, a student that went through this exact same course and started making money within about 2 weeks. Okay? 2 weeks. Started making money. I'm going to explain that in just a second. And then I'll show you how to get loads of traffic, free traffic from YouTube. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to make a passive income, this mini course for only $7 will teach you exactly how to do that. So what is this course really talking about? So without going to buy the course, I'm going to tell you kind of what it's telling you. So I go in there and I talk about how I've made money selling courses, selling programs, selling guides, selling mini courses, selling just different things, okay, online. The way you can do it is you create a YouTube channel, you build up an audience based on a very specific niche. So it could be something as simple as, what are some good, iPhone, covers or cases. This one right here is the selfie case, okay? Or I have one right here. This one holds credit cards. So you could go very niche specific with that. And then as far as what you sell on the back end, what you put inside your description box, okay, like I said, if you want to go buy it, you can buy that course in the description box below. It's only $7. This is exactly what you would do if you were promoting this item, okay? You'd send somebody over to Amazon, or what I like to do is I like to create an actual guide, some type of online digital asset that you can sell over and over again. For example, I like to sell mini courses, I like to sell guides, I like to sell full courses. That's what I like to do. I talk about how Casey Neistat, he sells certain things. I talk about how like Roman Atwood sells his merch, the Smile More merch. I talk about how a guy named Peter McKinnon sells Lutz packs, and these are like so if you go and you want to change like the whatever it's called, the image quality or something like that, it changes, it gives it a little bit more depth, all this stuff, and he sells them for $20 a piece. He has like 1.6 million YouTube followers now, and if just 1% of the people buy his Lutz pack every single video, he's making bank on that just from that one item. Okay, I also talk about how I've sold courses on Amazon FBA on affiliate marketing. I have monthly memberships as well. So here's something I want to tell you. I have a student that went through it just a few weeks ago. Okay, within about 2 weeks, she started making money. So what'd she do? And this is exactly what I talk about inside the guide as well, is to pick a hobby, okay? So this is what I talk about inside that $7 mini course is pick a hobby that you have. It doesn't have to be the most extravagant, the most expensive hobby. It could be archery, it could be hunting, it could be hiking, it could be camping, it could be basketball, it could be swimming, it could be calligraphy, whatever it is. Now, she went and picked a topic, and she started making videos. She was doing 2 videos a day. Okay? She started doing 2 videos a day, almost the exact same time, where I put up a video on here on YouTube talking about YouTube and really going for it and all this stuff. She watched that and she was like, I just need to go for it. And she started doing about 2 videos a day. She averaged about 2 videos a day. Some days were more, some days were less. But she was getting up about 2 videos a day over on YouTube, targeting specific search results, specific terms, specific questions people were asking on how to do this certain task. Okay, and then she'd go and she'd offer her free guide. It was a free mini course. She was selling this for $13.95. Okay, so almost double what I'm selling mine for. Okay, or what she paid for it. So $13.95 is what she's selling this for. She's not making any money with YouTube ads. Okay, that's not happening. She's not there yet. But she's making money from this little guide. Not only that, she's building up a email list, because every time somebody buys this, she gets their email, and then every time she has a new guide talking about this topic, she's going to send it out. Okay, so right now, or not as of right now, but as of I think 2 days ago, as of the 23rd of January 2018, she had 111. Okay, 111 people she can go back and send an email to. Maybe 10% of those people buy. So was that 11 people decide they're going to buy this new course or this full course or hire her for her services. That's something that you can do in addition to making a passive income. But this is a great passive income opportunity. Okay, people do it all the time. Okay, I don't want to bore you with all the the details and how much other people are doing, but honestly, there's a lot of people making money doing this exact same thing. I've been talking about this for years. There's people selling courses now on how you build up your brand and how you start selling all this different stuff based on your name alone. And that's kind of what I've been doing. That's kind of what Ty Lopez does. Grant Cardone does the exact same thing. There's celebrities doing the exact same stuff. You build up a brand, okay, so that you are reputable. People know who you are. You have some type of following, and it doesn't have to be the biggest following. It just needs to be a following. Okay, it can be 100 people on Instagram. As long as you have a following that are engaged with what you're doing, it makes it very easy to promote something, to sell them something. Sell them something that is going to help them and that they can have some value from, because you're not going to have very many repeat customers, and that's where your passive income really gets halted, is if you sell somebody some crap and they don't want it ever again. They think, hey, this sucked. Why should I ever buy something from you ever again? If you're selling something for $10, that's all you're going to get from that customer is $10. You're not going to be able to sell them on the next thing and the next thing and the next thing, and to really help them and propel them in whatever it is you're trying to teach them. For me, I like to teach online business, how people can make money, how people can live the online lifestyle. And I couldn't do this. I couldn't have been doing this for 10 years if I told somebody just some lie and some crap 10 years ago and tried to sell them on this idea. Okay? But now it's a lot easier because I have thousands and thousands of people that follow me on YouTube and social media and all that. So it makes it easier, but at the same time, that's not required to get started. Okay? So I just want you to understand that there are ways to make a passive income. Okay? You don't have to be a genius. All you need is a hobby. You need something that you can start with. Go watch yesterday's video. I think it was yesterday's video. I talk about you're turning a hobby, turning your passion into profits. That's the exact same thing, or pretty much the exact same thing I'm talking about right now. Okay? I'll put the link to the Passion for Profits video down in the description box below, so you can go check that out. But it's an incredible video. It's going to teach you kind of what it is that I'm talking about right here. But this course is going to help get you to that next level, help get you to profitability faster. So again, if you want to win those $5, just comment below. Let me know why you want to create a passive income and what it's going to do for you. Okay? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions on creating a passive income or the course, or really anything, let me know. Let me know in the comment section below as well. I'll be more than happy to help you any way that I can.